Yarn production. It mainly includes opening, combing, drawing, roving, spun yarn, and other key processes. The spinning process begins with the treatment of the fibers. Reciprocating cotton grabber grabs cotton fibers layer by layer from the arranged cotton bales. The grabbed cotton lumps are conveyed through air ducts. First enter the weight separator. Impurities such as metal fragments, stones, sand, and soil are separated and discharged due to their own weight. Then the cotton blocks are blended, and another impurity removal process. Next, the cotton fibers enter the multi-beam blender, an opener for mixing and opening. Fibers from different cotton bales are blended, which greatly improves the uniformity of the cotton lap. In addition, some larger impurities, such as cottonseed ginger slices, can be separated from the fiber. Foreign fiber separator accurately removes foreign fibers, such as hair and plastic flakes, by rapidly scanning the flattened satin lap, greatly enhances the purity of the yarn. The microdust remover is the final, cleaning checkpoint in the opening process. When the fiber passes, dust such as short velvet is absorbed and discharged. The rolls are then fed into the carding machine. Cotton fibers are carefully combed, straightened, parallel to form a cotton web, and further remove the remaining fine impurities and staple fiber. Then the cotton web is gathered into a continuous, twist-free sliver and regularly placed into cans. The first step of the drawing process is pre-drawing, where 5 to 8 slivers are typically drafted and combined, forming a pre-banding strip by polarimeters, and put the regular plate into the sliver can. When spinning high-quality yarn in textile production, 2 core processes, sliver lap preparation and combing, are usually additionally carried out. In the sliver lap preparation process, 20 to 30 pre-drawn slivers are combined and stretched, made of uniform thickness and straight fibers, with neat edges and well-structured roll. A well-structured lap can ensure that the front plate of the comber reliably grips the fiber tuft. This is a prerequisite for efficient combing. The core task of the combing is to exclude short fibers from small rolls, straightening of parallel cotton fibers. Compared with carded cotton, combed cotton can eliminate short fibers, enhance luster, boost strength, and improve the uniformity. The output of the cotton mesh is passed through the bundle, collected into a smooth and even cone strip. The last step is put into the sliver can for use in the final drawing process. Final drawing further combines the combed cotton to achieve a high-quality level of sliver evenness that can be directly supplied to the roving process. Drawing and twisting of grinding strip by roving machine create the necessary cohesion between the fibers, gives roving a certain strength, prevent broken ends. The twisted roving is wound onto bobbins in a specific roll, resulting in roving bobbins that are easy to transport, store, and use on spinning frames. Spun roving process. It's the heart of the spinning process. It is at this stage that yarn is produced. The fed roving is drifted, straightened, aligned in parallel, and imparted with a fine twist. Make it a yarn with the necessary strength, and wound on the tube, forming tube yarn. The winding process involves winding cone yarn into large capacity cheese yarn. At the same time, it is also a crucial quality inspection process. The electronic yarn clearer is used to accurately locate and cut off yarn defects such as thick knots and thin knots. The yarn is reconnected by another, which improves the evenness and cleanliness of the yarn. After the winding process, the yarn is wound into cheese yarn. It becomes commercial yarn, which can be used for the final fabric weaving.